Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the belt on a Porter cable cordless sander. So if you're turning it on and your pad isn't spinning around, it could be a damaged belt. So this unit number that we're working on is PCCW205, and I already made a video on how to replace the pad, and if you saw that you'll know already how to take it off. If not, just take these 4 screws out. It's a T20 Torx bit. Then your pad comes right off, and this is your belt here. So you're just going to gently remove it, although if it's broken you don't have to be that gentle. And then you get your replacement band. Put your band on to your metal loop there. Once you have it on, just give it a test spin, make sure it works. Looks all good. So we're just going to take our pad, line up your holes, and put your screws back into place. Alright, that's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful, and please like and subscribe.